Hey guys, imagine you could be teleported into the medieval ages and you could only take one item. What would it be?
I would take a gun.
I'll take a phone.
I would take a lighter.
So, what would you take yourself?
But I would take the book.
Hello, my name is Seba. I always thought that all the things I use nowadays are very difficult to do. Whether it's a mobile phone, wireless charging, Wi-Fi and other things of the 21st century, it is something out of my understanding. At least nothing to compare with a bow or a windmill. That is what I can make by myself for sure. And if I were in the Middle Ages, I would definitely show everyone how to make their life better. But I was really disappointed when I decided not just to dream about how I became the most important person in the Middle Ages, knowing how to make, for example, gunpowder, but to really think about how I would do it. So I discovered the incredible world of technology from the past. Whether it's a silk recipe or a printing press, each of the past inventions turned out to be incredibly fascinating and far from obvious simple. Each time I was more and more convinced that I would not become the king of the Middle Ages. I really wanted to share my revelation. Because let's be honest, not only I imagined myself as the king of the Middle Ages. We got the idea to collect the greatest inventions of the past generations and combine them into an illustrated book. The book with which you immerse yourself in an incredibly fascinating world of simple ideas that change the course of the history. A book with which you can really become a king if you find yourself in the Middle Ages. And we will not only allow you to survive in it, but also provide yourself with a decent level of comfort for a 21st century inhabitant. And perhaps, someday, revive the whole civilization. Or, at least to be able to explain to your children how basic stuff works. This is an extremely large volume of work. There are dozens of illustrators and editors working on it, and we do need your support to get this book published. Let's make it real together. Let's show how our world was invented.